Darjeeling. Darjeeling is situated in Indian state of West Bengal. It is a hill station in the lap of lower Himalayas. Location of the city is in Mahabharata range or lesser Himalayan range. It is located at an elevation of 6,710 feet. The development of this town started from mid-19th century. It was the time when British started a sanatorium. Also, they built a military depot. Reaching Darjeeling is quite easy. You can reach in various ways. Nearest airport is Bagdogra. Bagdogra is well connected with rest of the country. Darjeeling is just 2 hours drive from Bagdogra airport. Nearest Broadgate station is New Jalpaiguri. You can take Darjeeling Himalayan Railways from New Jalpaiguri. Also, you can take taxis and car from there. It is 2.5 hours drive from New Jalpaiguri. National Highway 55 also connects Darjeeling from Shiliguri. Bus services are also available from there. Darjeeling has a low temperature. This was a wonderful way to spend summers for British officials. Hence, in 1840, it became informal summer capital of Bengal Presidency. Climate in the city, fresh air, clean water, and wonderful atmosphere also made it a health resort for British officials. Further efforts were taken by Lieutenant Napier and Arthur Campbell, and they developed a station here to attract immigrants. Construction of schools and other welfare center also started, mainly by Scottish missionaries. Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, formed in 1881, further speeded up the process. All these processes got a major setback in 1899 when the whole city was severely shaken by a powerful earthquake. This caused severe damage to the city. Apart from being a hill station, Darjeeling is also famous for tea. Darjeeling tea is one of the best quality of tea in the world. Darjeeling hills are best suited for tea plantation. Tea garden ranges from several kilometers. Biggest attraction over here is Mount Kanchenjunga, which is the 3rd highest peak in the world and is the highest peak of India. From Darjeeling, you can have a clear view of Mount Kanchenjunga. Mirik and Mirik Lake, along with Pashupati Market, are some of the best visited places in Darjeeling. Mirik is a small township. The name Mirik came from Lepcha word Mir Yok, meaning place burnt by fire. Sumetu Lake in the heart of Mirik is one of the finest attraction here. There is an 80 feet long footbridge over the lake. One can boat in the lake or take a horse ride around the lake. Pashupati Market is in the border between India and Nepal. This is a small commercial market for trading clothes, electronics, and household goods. If you want to witness the first ray of sun hitting the twin peaks of Kanchenjunga, along with panoramic view of the place, then you must visit Tiger Hills. Tiger Hill sunrise is one of the most visited sites in Darjeeling. At an elevation of 8,000 feet, the Ghum Monastery is the oldest Tibetan Buddhist monastery of Darjeeling. A 14 feet high statue of Buddha can be seen in the central hall. It is made up of clay brought from Tibet. Located around 5 kilometers from Darjeeling, Batasia Loop is a spiral railway track where the toy train takes a complete 360-degree turn. The Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, commonly known as HMI, Darjeeling was established on November 4, 1954, primarily to encourage mountaineering as an organized sports in India. HMI regularly conducts adventure, basic and advanced levels of mountaineering courses. Padmaja Naidu Zoo plays host to not only the collection of Siberian tigers, but it also has exotic animal species such as red panda, snow leopards, Himalayan black bear, etc. The Peace Pagoda, one of the 70-odd such structures, were built under the guidance of Japanese monks Fuji, is worth a visit during pujas. Darjeeling also has a mall road. At the top of the mall road is an observatory hill. Hill hosts the famous Mahakal temple, an original shrine of Bhutia Basti monastery. Lepcha Jagat is a small town around 19 kilometers from Darjeeling. At a height of 6,956 feet, this village is considered a heaven for nature lovers and honeymooners. Amid dense forest of pines and oaks, the village gives tranquility and serenity. Darjeeling Mall is located in the heart of Darjeeling and is just 1 kilometer away from Darjeeling Himalayan Railway Station. It is one of the most visited places in Darjeeling. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is one of the worth seeing sight here. This connects the town with other locations. Steam engines are still in use here. It is declared as UNESCO Heritage Site. This city has a lot of boarding schools, which attracts a lot of tourists from all across the globe. Flora and fauna of Darjeeling is quite interesting. It is a part of Eastern Himalayan zone. Flora around Darjeeling comprises of sal, oak alpine forests, etc. The forest of sal and oak around the town adds up to the beauty of the place. Also, a rare variety of orchids here are worth mentioning. There are two must-see places. One of them is Lloyd Botanical Garden, which preserves wide variety of plants. Second is Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Garden, which has a lot of rare Himalayan species. The biggest festival in Darjeeling are Durga Puja, Diwali, and Christmas. Durga Puja is referred here as Dasinan, and Tihar is a festival over here in Diwali. New Year is celebrated by Lepchas and Bhutias in January, and Tibetan celebrate the same in February, March. Birthday of Dalai Lama is celebrated in June. This is one of the worth mentioning festival here. 10 days musical carnival called Darjeeling Initiative draws a lot of tourists. If you go to Darjeeling, do not miss to taste the local delicacies. Tibetan momo, meat or veg wrapped in a dough layer, steamed and served with a clear soup, pickle, This is one of the favorite dishes here. Another popular dish is thupka. Thupka is a Tibetan noodle served with a soup. Other popular dishes are bread stuffed with meat. Alcoholic beverages include tomka, chang, etc. These are all local alcoholic beverages. Darjeeling is also characterized by colonial architecture. Places to see are Tudor residences, Gothic churches, Raj Bhavan, Planters Club. You will often find pagoda-style Buddhist monasteries here. Music is the favorite pastime of locals. Overall, Darjeeling is one of the most beautiful hill stations of the world.